Now that you know the possessive adjectives, are you ready to do an exercise along with me? So here, complétez avec adjective possessive. We are going to try to fill in the blanks with the possessive adjective. Do you remember the possessive adjectives? So let us try filling it. Dash will a Pondicherry. So what you need to say here is my city is Pondicherry. Will means city. So my city. You can fill it with my city or your city, whichever you want. But so will is in the feminine form. Feminine singular. So what would you say? Let us take for example for je. What would you say? Ma. Yes. Ma vi a Pondicherry. My city is Pondicherry. You can also write ta. What would that mean? It means your city is Pondicherry. So you can fill in whichever possessive adjective you want. The meaning will be accordingly changed. So the next one, dash address a 12. Do you remember what we said for 12 in French? 12. Yes. A 12 rue Surkov. Rue means street. So now the blank is before the noun address. So address is in the masculine singular form. So what would be the possessive adjective here? Yes, it would be mon. Mon address. My address is. Mon address. Why did we write mon here? Because address is in the masculine singular form. Why did we write ma here? Because will is in the feminine singular form. Now the next sentence, dash père et homme d'affaires. Père means father. Yes, we have learned the family members also. I hope you remember them. So for père, père is in the masculine singular form. So what would you write? You would write mon. It's very easy, isn't it? You have to look at the noun and find out whether it is in the masculine or feminine, singular or plural. So since this is in the masculine singular form, you would write mon. Next sentence, le nom de dash école est Saint Xavier. Le nom, the name of dash école means, do you remember? Yes, it means school. The name of my school. Now, école, is it in the masculine or in the feminine form? Yes, it is in the masculine. Now, is it in the singular or in the plural form? It is singular. So, masculine, singular. What would we write? Yes, we would write mon. Le nom de mon école. The name of my school. And finally, the last sentence. J'aime beaucoup dash mer. I like very much dash. What is this word here? Yes, mer. What does mer mean? It means mother. So it is the feminine singular form. So what would we write? Yes, we would write ma. J'aime beaucoup ma mère. I like my mother very much. So I think you are now clear with the use of the possessive adjective. So what would we do? We would look at the noun, if it is in the masculine or feminine, singular or plural form, and we would fill in the corresponding possessive adjective. So this is just one exercise. We will be doing more exercises in future. I hope you are thorough with this right now. So did you enjoy the French class? French is actually a very easy language and it is a very sweet language too. So I hope you are enjoying this class and let us continue enjoying in the coming classes.